Credit cards. At present, people will proud to have as many credit cards as possible. Is it useful to the card holder or not? We have to analyze. We should think of whether it is a credit card is useful. Using a credit card, there is no benefit to the card holder. What are the benefit is available? Only is the limit, time limit, means time gap between the bill made and the credit due payment. That is the only gap, that is the only benefit they will get. And sometimes there will be offers from the companies to encourage more and more credit purchases. Is it advisable? In my opinion, credit cards are not at all advisable, because that will disturb the economic discipline, and using credit card means you are spending more than your income. So it encourages the expenditure more than income. That is not at all advisable as far as financial discipline is concerned. So credit card can be used only for small payments or with the small limits. The banks are also carelessly they are giving more and more credit cards and more credit limits also. Suppose a person is having an income of 1 lakh rupees, the banks are giving 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, and there are 4 or 5 banks are giving the same card, means the person is borrowing not less than 10 to 15 lakhs on the 1 lakh income, and that is overdrawn. And that is what is happening is he is mortgaging his future income also. That is most dangerous for an individual. So credit card leads to mortgaging future income. It is not at all advisable. And any credit card also can be misused by anyone because of possibility of easy loan. Because of easy loan, the card holder may be influenced to spend more than his income. That is more dangerous, because it should restrict, it should regulate. Even if anyone wants to spend, and that the economic discipline, economic card holding companies should regulate to reduce his expenditure. But whereas this is other way, the card holding, they are making the people to spend more, which is more dangerous not only to the economy but also to the individual and as well as to society also. Suppose if a person fails to honor the credit card installment on time, his credit score will be affected. His credit score will be affected, and the loan limit will be reduced. And also, if he wants to repay the installment as per schedule, the cardholder may be forced to do anything legal, illegal, moral, immoral, or anything to earn to repay the installment, which is also not good. Because if a cardholder fails to repay, his account becomes NPA and defaulter, and that is also not good for himself as well as for the economy. If he is earning in any manner to repay the credit card, is also not good for the society. So in any way, in both the ways, credit card is harmful to the card holder as well as to the society. This is the most dangerous effect of credit card, and in fact you can use debit card but not credit card. You reduce your limits on credit cards. Of course, it may be useful for some time. It may be enjoyment, it may be proud in the short term, but it will lead to long run problems, long run financial shortages, financial crunches, and because you are mortgaging the future income also, then there is every possibility that if the future income disturbed, then there will be a possibility that your account you may be defaulted in repayment, one may be defaulted in repayment, and or else he may become a defaulter, which is not advisable. Next, because of easy usage of loans, the credit card also may be used by some other person, maybe friends and relatives on influence, so that they may create problems between friends and relatives and also the card holder. Because that may lead, there are so many cases, the cards misused by the friends for their benefit, and the card holder became defaulter. That is not a good situation at all. And one more thing is, the credit card can be used only for earning the income but not for spending. There should be a discipline. If you have one is having credit card limit of 1 lakh rupees, that use it only for earning the income. Maybe if you are a car owner, if you are a taxi driver, you can use for petrol. And if you are a farmer, you can use for purchasing fertilizers, pesticides, seeds, etc., etc. The same way, if any person is working for somebody, and the duration gap is required, if your credit sales are there, that can to finance that credit sales, the credit card can be used, but not for spending. Spending is using credit card for spending is most dangerous, I stated earlier. And one more dangerous is, even if one installment is not paid on time, the credit card company will inform it will affect the credit score of the card holder. Because if one default leads to many effects in the long run of the credit limits of the card holder. Because of easy loan, the credit card usage of credit card is most important. If it is used responsibly for earning the income, it will add income, increase productivity and funds availability. If it is not used properly, if it is used for wrong purpose or for spending or for misuse, and that may lead to the additional liability on the card holder in the form of mortgaging future income. Handling of credit card is most important. Having credit card is different from handling his credit card. Because you are having credit card limit, having more and more number of credit cards, the friends and relatives may influence to use the card. And I stated earlier, once the card is used by anybody, the card holder is responsible to repay. Whether it is used by a friend or relative or any purpose is not irrelevant for the use of the credit card. So when it is used by the friends or relatives for their spending also, your future income will be mortgaged. So it is better to have only one or two cards, maximum one card or maximum two cards, and it is not more than the monthly income of your monthly income. Suppose if you are earning an income of 1 lakh rupees, your credit card limit should not be more than 1 lakh. And if you are having all credit limits put together, it should not be more than monthly income. Suppose you are having 2 or 3 cards also, the total limit should not be more than monthly income. If it is more than that, and you have to repay on time to all the card companies. So that will lead to lot of financial mismanagement, harassment, mental torture, and also social relationship also may be friends and relatives relationship also may be affected because of wrong handling or allowing them to use or wrong handling for the purpose of spending or for the purpose of borrowing or for the purpose of usage. So all this leads to harm to the card holder. It is better not to have credit card. If you have credit card, the limit should be very less, only to meet emergencies only, not more than that. Now insurance companies are there to meet emergencies. It is not required to have credit card. And even if you have credit card, the limit should be very less, and it should not be allowed to be used by anybody else except yourself. So that having credit card is not a pride. Having credit card itself is having a damage or loss, incurring a loss or damage of relationship, friendship, money or anything to the card holder.